Before you move out, before you grab a bag and crash at your buddy's place thinking you're cooling things off, stop. Because the moment you step outside that door, you may never legally get back in. You're not being respectful. You're walking into a documented legal pattern that divorce attorneys have been using for years. Let me give you a real example. Jack is a 38-year-old electrician. 16 years on the job, up at dawn, home at sunset. Never cheated, never hit, barely even argued. He believed staying loyal and working hard was enough to keep his marriage safe. But marriages rarely explode. They fade quietly. His wife stopped talking. No yelling, no tears, just cold distance. And when she finally spoke again, she said the most dangerous words a man can hear. "I think we need space. Maybe you should stay somewhere else for a while." Sounds peaceful, right? Sounds mature. Jack thought so too, so he packed a few bags, went to stay at his brother's house, thinking he was giving her room. But 2 weeks later, knock-knock divorce papers. She claimed primary residence. She claimed he abandoned the home. She filed for full custody, stating she was now the primary caretaker since he left voluntarily. Jack didn't abandon anything. He thought he was being respectful. But in court, intentions don't matter. Actions do. And legally, moving out equals surrender. You think she came up with that plan herself? No. Lawyers tell women to do this. They don't want you angry. They want you compliant. They want you gone so they can lock you out, change the narrative, and establish themselves as the stable parent. And here's the part nobody tells men. The second you leave, she can change the locks. She can claim she felt unsafe. She can file a temporary protective order without evidence and legally block you from your own home. And guess what? Judges approve them constantly because they err on the side of caution. So, what should Jack have done? He should have stayed, calmly, quietly, legally. No yelling, no arguing. Just existing peacefully in the home he pays for. If she wants space, she can leave. If she wants separation, fine, under the same roof until legal agreements are signed. If she says, "You need to go, this is my house now," you answer one sentence, "No, this is our house." If you want me gone, we'll let a judge decide that. Because here's the truth no one tells men. If you stay, you have rights. If you leave, you have requests. One position has power. The other has begging. By the time Jack realized what had happened, it was too late. Judge said, "Sir, you already left the home. That tells me she's the stable parent. Doesn't matter if he paid every bill. Doesn't matter if she engineered the setup. Courts don't reward politeness." So remember this. Staying doesn't make you aggressive. Leaving doesn't make you respectful. It makes you weak in the eyes of the court. This story isn't rare. It's happening every single day to men who think they're being noble. So if you're in this situation right now, do not move out. Do not sign anything. Do not speak to her lawyer. Not until you watch my next video, How Men Lose Custody Without Even Knowing. Subscribe, because no one else is going to warn you.